Hi everyone, welcome to FoodyVibes. Today we are going to make peri peri chicken. Let's proceed with the preparation of the peri peri sauce. In a blender, add some chopped red bell pepper, chopped yellow bell pepper, some chopped onions, chopped garlic, thyme and parsley, paprika powder, little bit of sugar, some pepper, salt and little bit of dark soy sauce. Squeeze half a lemon. Add some oil and blend all together. This is the kind of paste that I like here. We don't need the paste to be too smooth. In a large bowl here, I have some chicken thighs and wings, to which we'll add the blended mixture and give a good mix. Cover and let rest for 2 hours or more. In a large pan, we'll place the marinated chicken by removing the excess mixture and let it sizzle. Both sides until it starts to get a lightly charred colored. Then we'll add the rest of the mixture, cover and let cook 8 to 10 minutes each sides on medium flame. Keep tossing in between time. As you can see here that the chicken is completely cooked and has been beautifully grilled both sides. Now we'll add some chopped red bell pepper and let them grill together for 4 to 5 minutes. And that's it, we are done. Here is my easy and simple way of preparing this epic restaurant type of peri peri chicken platter. The taste is completely insane, so juicy and tender, so difficult to resist. Hope you have enjoyed my video. Please share, like and subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye bye.